Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm coming to you with a few bags from Dragon Diffusion. Here we have got the Nantucket, then the Santa Croc, and the Mini Gora. I didn't buy any of these from Dragon Diffusion directly because, first of all, I think they are not based in Europe, so I was not sure how they deal with returns, and also they charge for shipping, so just in case. And also it takes them around 5 weeks to make a bag because these bags are handmade, 100% leather, and they are all made in India. I will link these bags to places that I got them from down below. So let us start with this one, with a Nantucket. This bag, I'm not gonna lie, I was very disappointed when I first saw this bag because I had something completely different in mind. I have seen this bag only this way, you know, this way. So I thought this bag would be structured, yeah, right? But no, it came like this, you know, flat like this. So it was not what I expected. So at the beginning I was a bit shocked. Shocked is maybe a bit too strong, but I was disappointed. But now actually I think this bag, because it is not structured, is a great traveling bag. I mean, if you go to the beach, this bag is a great beach bag, I would say. Not for me because it's too small. If I go to the beach, I need a bag that can contain my life, right? I have to pack not only for myself, but also for my kids, and sometimes a few things for my husband, so for the whole family, right? So this bag is not a great beach bag for me, but maybe for you. Only a few lucky people have the beach around the corner, right? Normally you have to take the plane, or you have to take a long trip to the beach, right? So you need to take a suitcase with you. And this bag, because it can get flat like this, you can put it in your suitcase and travel with this bag easily. And also as a carry-on bag, you can use this bag, of course, as a carry-on bag as well, but I wouldn't recommend that because it's open and everything can, you know, roll out. So, but you get the gist. This bag is a great bag for traveling because it gets flat like this, right? We've got this metal inside of all of them, which I really love, and I love how lightweight these bags are. The reason why I couldn't decide for the model or the type of the bag was I would like to have a leisure, you know, like a basket bag, a bag that I can use like a basket bag to the farmer's market or for picnic, and so I think for those occasions this one comes handy because it has got a very laid back style, right? And it is very comfortable to be worn as a shoulder bag as well. And I do love this bag. So with the basket bags, you know, from Loewe, which I have featured in the past in many of my videos, they are beautiful. I really love the look of a basket bag. But they are somewhat a statement piece, you know. They are present, you know, not only their structure, but also the color, you know. Of course, the color plays a big role as why this bag is very quiet, but also the structurelessness of this bag makes this bag very quiet and understated. Sometimes I like my outfit to talk for themselves, and I want my bag to take the back seat. And I think this bag would do exactly that. Oh gosh, I really love this one. It will be difficult to decide for one of these again. If you have any opinions on any of these bags, please let me know because I would love to hear your opinion. Anyway, by the way, if you're new to my channel, I try to post fashion content regularly. So if you're into high-end fashion but also good quality high street fashion, I would love it if you consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. So next we have this bag. I thought this is a great not basket bag, but woven summer bag for city. You know, this is because of its opening and its shape. Even though these bags, none of them has got a closure, with the shape of this one, you have somewhat a closure, you know, because your arm will cover this bag, and yes, and no one, I mean, you have to be careful, still careful, but it is difficult for people, you know, to get into your bag without you noticing it, right? So I thought this bag is great for city life, and also actually a great work bag as well. I mean, to be honest with you, I don't recommend you carrying your laptop like this, but I do, and I do, and I have even carried my laptop like this, you know, and with a small bag. This is a cute bag as well. We get to this one, but I mean, how cute is that? Even in there, of course, you can place your laptop here, even better, right? Yes. So, of course, you can also carry this bag to work if it's, you know, okay for you, but it's not a very smart bag, I would say. And as you can see, this one has got, is very structured. By the way, these bags, all of them, come in so many beautiful colors. This one comes in a beautiful green. They call it forest green, I believe. I will link it down below. That one, I was very torn. I was so close to you know, ordering that one. And if memory serves me right, this one is, I think, around 44 centimeters long, and this one about 46 centimeters long. Next we have this one. This is called Gora, and in mini. I thought this bag is so cute. On the website it didn't look that small, but then it arrived and it is very small. It is a mini bag. I do love it, and if I could, to be honest, I would keep them all. Yes. Oh, I've just seen the stitching. Do you call it stitching? The knots or the, you know, woven leather on this one is much looser, and therefore you have to be careful not losing your stuff out of the bag. But this is only the case with this particular model. The others are fine. There are no holes in them or no, you know, loose stitching, so they are fine. This is only with this one, but I really love the color of this one. The color is called Pearl, I believe, and I thought, you know, this one in Pearl could be nice as well, right? I really love these bags for the summer months, and I am actually thinking of selling my Loewe basket bag, you know, the Raffia basket bag. As much as I love a nice Raffia bag, you know, basket bag, there are a few disadvantages with those bags. You know, I was always aware or conscious about the fact that they can break. And you know, even if a small strand of a basket bag breaks, you know, sharp pieces will stick out and it can potentially destroy your clothing. So, and with me, I love wearing silk in the summer months, especially in the summer months. So that was another reason why I really wanted to try one of these bags. So therefore, I'm thinking maybe I should replace just my Loewe Raffia bag that I got just a few weeks ago with this one. And I have somebody who would like to buy that bag for the exact price I paid for. So maybe I do that, I'm not sure yet. But these bags all came in a beautiful cotton bag like this. Actually, I do like these bags, and because I think these kind of bags are very useful, especially if you carry a mini bag and you have kids and you want to carry their stuff as well. You can chuck them all into a bag like this, right? Which one should I keep? this one or this one. This one is very cute, but honestly, this is just too small for me. I mean, for some occasions, you know, where you just need to carry your purse and sunglasses and maybe a small bottle of water, could be okay, right? Yeah, but not for me. And also this one, because of the very loose stitching, I'm not sure about that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you soon on my next one. Till then, bye bye.